Good day to my viewers. I'm glad to be back here out of sunny South Africa, KZN South Coast. It's a very, very windy day here on the coast today. That's why I'm not going to waste my time to fish in the sea. It's going to be too rough, too windy. I'm sure a few keen fishermen that will fight against the wind and the rough sea might get a few nice shads today. I saw the sea is very foamy. But yeah, yesterday I got my shad. I'm happy. We're gonna cook them well. Some I'm gonna put in the smoker, and the other ones we have already filleted. So we're gonna make them with a nice batter, deep fried. But I'll show my viewers when we do that. Beautiful, fresh shad. But I decided I missed my fishing already today. It's late afternoon now. I decided to drive here to Mpenjati once again. Mpenjati River Lagoon. I love Mpenjati. I come here often just to relax. I do my fishing, but it's actually very relaxing here. It's a nature reserve, a lagoon nature reserve. I'll try to film the fish eagles today. I saw one flying over now. I heard its call, but I'm going to try to get them on my video. But it's a beautiful place. Lovely braai areas, nice lawns. Very, very nice. So I've got my two small rods in here in front with my small trusted hookies. I've posted a picture of that small hooks. They're very difficult to get them in tackle shops. But I've actually ordered my hookies now from Cape Town. Sorry, I'm struggling with the English. I've ordered me 2 boxes of hookies. They're not cheap, but hey, they work like magic. So I've got my 2 small rods in, small hooks. I've got my 2 big rods in. On my right hand side, you can't see them now. But the one rod is waiting for a small live bait that I'm going to try and catch now. And the other rod, I've cast it in a whole sardine. Let's see what happens. I love Mpenjati. What a beautiful place. You feel so close to nature. And it's not so windy because the copy of Trafalgar next door actually blocks the wind a little bit. So the wind is not affecting me here. Lovely. Let's see what happens. Let's go. My viewers, there's action by my one small rod. I lost that one just here in front. It looked like a small kingfishy. But I'm going to rebait. Let's see what happens. And I've got my nice tackies is wet. I got them wet yesterday. So today I've got my aircon tackies on again. You can see beautiful aircon. Lovely. As I said, if you fish with them, your feet breathes nice and properly, and you get some sand in your shoes. Very nice, my aircon tackies. I'm just joking. Yeah, no, I use them a lot to spare my good tackies, but I'm gonna rebait. Let's see what happens. My viewers, there's action. I've got a nice small kingfishy. They're very plentiful in these lagoons. And they grow up to be big, big fighters in the ocean. Nice. I'm going to put this one back. It's not a good live bait. Yeah, my viewers, always remember to leave your drag open on your small reels. There's always a chance something big might take your bait. Remember that, please. So if you strike the small fishies, just hold your spool of your reel. That's fine. I'm going to rebait quickly. My viewers, there's action. Beautiful little grunter. Beautiful little grunter. I see there's action on the other rod as well. But I'm gonna first let this guy go. Gonna take it off. Oh, hey, it jumped on me. Just gonna put it back. Beautiful grunter. Lovely stump nose. Small stump nose. You can see the yellow stripe on the side of the fishy. And a tail stump nose, beautiful. I'm gonna release him quickly. Now you viewers can see why I like this small species fish fishing so much. There's always action, and I always try to catch as many species on a day as I can. Yeah, I'm gonna rebait. My viewers, there's action. Let's go. My viewers, I'm just joking. I'm just showing you my nice shirt. It's also a aircon shirt. I'm really using all my old clothes for the fishing. Excuse me. I'm gonna pause the camera and rebait. I missed that one. And I'm gonna shift my camera closer to the rods. It's easier for me to show you all the species that I catch. My viewers, there's action. Oh, I missed that one. I missed it. Recast. Now my viewers, there's some gentlemen enjoying their canoeing on the lagoon. Very, very nice. I think they're just practicing a little bit. They've got this funky canoes, very nice. The other gentleman has already passed. I was busy baiting. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. My camera screen is too dirty, or it's my gloves. Doesn't want to zoom in. I saw some action on this one rod. Let's check. Maybe I should rebait. Yeah, they've taken my bait off. I was sleeping, enjoying the sightseeing. I'm back, my viewers. Oh, there's action on this rod. Taking my bait off. Must be very small ones. Sure, there's action on this rod. one is on. That one is on. It's gone over my other line. But I'll sort it out. Got it. Little grunter. There's plenty of grunters in this lagoon. And as I said in previous videos, there's big ones. Especially if you come early in the morning when the gates open. Come try your luck here. Beautiful Mpenjati. Beautiful little grunter. I'm going to put it back. I'm back, my viewers. Oh, there's action on this other one. This other rod. No, I missed it. I missed it. Yeah, my viewers, please let me know in your comments if you guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, enjoys it when I come and do small species fishing at this lagoon or at any other lagoon. I mostly do it for the kids. Oh, they enjoy it so much to catch these small fishies. But let me know if you enjoy it, then I'll come more often. As I say, I've got a live bait in on my one big rod and a whole sardine, so I'm also trying for big fish. But let me know if you like it. I love it. This is the way I learn to fish. You have to start somewhere and it makes you more confident to catch the bigger ones. I'm gonna rebait quickly. Yeah, there's the two gentlemen on their kayaks or canoes. They're enjoying themselves. Let me try again to zoom in. Lovely. Lovely. I'm definitely gonna bring my kayaks here to do some fishing, but I'll do that summertime when the water is clean and clear. If we don't get a lot of rain, then there's like in very, very big fish that enters this lagoon, especially kingfish. You get your rock salmons. Beautiful fish, beautiful fighter, big ones. Your pick handle barracudas. But I'll come here when it's spring, summer. I'll come and visit this lagoon with my kayaks. I'm gonna rebait quickly. My viewers, I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. There we go. Another small stump nosy. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gonna rebait and let it go. It's that time of the day again. Action. These small fishies go crazy in the late afternoon. It's just after 4 now. I'm getting it. Oh, I've got it out. It's almost stuck there to the bottom on a piece of branch. Small kingfish. Small kingfish. What a beautiful guy. Beautiful. I'm gonna let it go. It's also grunting. I thought it's only a grunter that grunts, but kingfish as well. I've got another small fishy on the other rod. Little stump nose. A little stump nosy. Hey, there's a lot of action on this other rod, but I have to get this little fellow back. Got that one back. I think they've taken my bait off on the other rod now. Let's see. Oh, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. It looks like there's a whole school of stumpies here. A whole school. Beautiful. I love this, my viewers. I'm so sorry, bear with me. But this is my passion. Not to just catch big fish, but I love catching the small fish. I'm gonna rebait. My viewers, you see that bait hanging there from the hook? That's the sardine intestines. That's the best bait you can get for any fish and for big grunters. You hook your hook basically through the stomach of the sardine. It's very tough, but the fish loves it. You'll see now, I'm gonna cast in. You'll see this action immediately. Okay, so I'm gonna cast now this rod. It's the rod on the right hand side. Let's see which one is gonna get a fish first. Yeah, it's going crazy. It's going crazy. Ah, it's on. You see, this sardine guts is magic. Grunter. They love the sardine intestines. This is a little bit bigger grunter than the other ones. We might still hook a big one today. I'll just have to fight it very well with the small hooks. And I'm gonna put this guy back. Listen to the grunt. Maybe it will grunt. Come on, grunt. Come on. No, it doesn't want to grunt for us today. There you heard a little bit of a grunt. Beautiful. It's going back. I'm gonna rebait. I'm on, my viewers. I'm on. Ah, I lost it. This was something bigger. I lost it. Rebait. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the fish eagle. There's the fish eagle. I'm trying to zoom in. Please come this side. It might come back. I lost it now. Let's see if it comes back. You can see my other two lines here in the water. The one has got a small live bait on, slided it in. And there's my other line. I've got a sardine on it. The gentleman from the Parks Board was just here. And he actually told me that the mouth is open now. After the good rain that we had. So water is going to come in and out. And there's also going to be fish coming in and out. But there's been no action on the big rods. Here you can see my stand is under a tree. And here's my trusted pen reel. He's got the live bait on. But we've still got time. Anything might happen. So if the mouth is open, there's going to be big fish coming in and out. My viewers, I'm going to cast in now. I'm facing my camera towards the rod that I'm going to cast in, so you can just see the action on these rods. You can see the action. I'm just gonna reel it in a little bit. It might have taken my bait off, or it maybe swallowed my bait. Let's see. I took my bait off, but you saw the action. I'm gonna rebait. Now viewers, there's action. There's action. You can see it. You can see it on the rod. Come on, take it. Vat hom. Vat hom. Hey. Ah, I missed that one. There's so much action now, I'm just gonna leave my camera on. Just rebait quickly. See, there I've got that beautiful sardine intestines on my hook. There's gonna be action now. Look at that rod, it's going crazy. I missed it again. I'm losing my touch, but there's that sardine stomach is still on the hook. I'm losing my touch. Just want to bring in my reel a little bit. Let's see. Just want to rebait my other rod. There's action. I'm missing the action while I'm rebaiting. I'm gonna get it just now. I think I've hooked something. Come on, yes, I've got it. It's on. There we go. Another small grunter. Another small grunter. Mooi vissie. Beautiful fishy. I'm gonna get it back. Rebait. I've got action on both the rods. But I see they want to lock up the gate now. I'll have to go. It's my last chance. Next time I'll come earlier. I just came for the late afternoon. I'm gonna quickly take out my big rods, then I'll bait one more time. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, they're gonna close the gate. I'm just packing up my stuff quickly. But enjoy the beautiful scenery of this lagoon. You'll see birds flying by. Beautiful. Enjoy the view while I'm packing. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Bye-bye, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for supporting me, especially my beautiful subscribers. I appreciate it so much. Hope you enjoy this video, and please let me know if you guys and girls enjoy small species fishing for fish in the lagoon. Out of beautiful South Africa, bye-bye.